This Paneer Jalfrezi will take you only 10 minutes. For all the vegetarians out there. Oh, sorry. It's a very simple Paneer Jalfrezi with very minimal ingredients. So it's colorful, crunchy, and perfect as a starter, or you can eat it with chapati too. So, what are we waiting for? Let's crack on with it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients for Paneer Jalfrezi. Paneer, garam masala, turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, salt, tomato, coriander leaves, capsicum, onions, and ginger garlic paste. I've cut paneer lengthwise. This is 200 grams of paneer. Now, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of oil. You can use refined oil, and let's lightly toast the paneer. We don't want it to be fried. Make sure you don't over fry your paneer because that's when your paneer gets rubbery. So just toss it a little bit. Turn the sides once it's golden brown. Your paneer has turned light golden in color. I'm going to switch off and then move the paneer immediately. Add some more oil to the pan and add in some ginger garlic paste. So today I am using store-bought. Reduce the flame. To this I am adding 1 tomato, finely chopped tomato. Adding in a pinch of water. Adding in, sprinkle some water. I want the tomatoes to be cooked nicely. It should be soft and
mushy.
Yes. Adding in a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a pinch of turmeric, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Saute these masalas really well. You don't want the raw taste to linger. Now keep the flame on high. Add in 1 capsicum, which is cut into lengthwise, and 1 onions. I like biting into the vegetables. It should be little crunchy. Capsicum is nicely seared and onions are also nice and crunchy. Now time to add our pan-fried toasted paneer. Give this a nice toss. Let's sprinkle in some garam masala. Okay, that's it. Such a simple dish, under 10 minutes. Garnish with coriander leaves. Awesome. See how simple it was? Cooking need not be complicated. Try this and let me know in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.